Okay, part three of this series here. So what I've done is I have created a new folder in my Revit families on my C drive here because I want to store all of my custom tags all together. So I'm going to do a file, save as family, and then I'm going to navigate up to my all Revit, and I've created a folder here, my Revit tags, and I did rename this AT wall type 1. Now, the only change I would make at the end here, right, is I'm going to do this for a scale of 1 underscore 20, right? So I'm going to use this particular tag at a scale of 1 underscore 20 because I might duplicate this and use it again for a higher scale, but that's there. Now, so I'm going to click into the label. The label is where all the action happens. Okay, I'm going to edit this label here and I'll scroll up. Now, these are the two codes. You recognize them here now. There is the assembly description and the assembly code, right? And for the moment, I'm going to take out the type mark. I'm going to talk about that now in a minute or two. Okay, so let's extend this out. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get rid of the line work. Sometimes there is an on-off parameter which allows you to take those kind of boxes off. But to be honest with you, they're useless and I don't want them. Right, with every tag, every custom tag that you're going to make, you're going to again put in the correct labels, but you're going to come over here and you're going to change this. You're going to go left and you're going to go top. All right, left and top for the horizontal and the vertical align. Then we're going to pop into here and we're going to make sure that the background is transparent. We're going to make sure the font is Arial, and I might make this 2 mil just for the moment. Might even bring that down to 1.5 if I'm going to be using it at that scale of 1 is to 20. All right. Now, there is my new tag made. I'm going to load that into the project. And so here's my original wall type. I'm going to go to the drop down box here and I'm going to pick the 88. And now, so there you go. It has reported back that information for me. What I want to do here is make that a free end, and I want to go in and put an arrow on that as well. So I filled 20 degree will do the trick very nicely. Now that means I can do that type of thing there. Now that is information that is worth reporting. Maybe the text is a little bit big. So I'm going to do that again. I'm going to annotate because you might have to do this a few times. And I'm going to tab onto the urinal unit itself. Okay, and I'll go back into, sorry, go back into annotate tag category and tab. Okay, so it's saying there's no tag loaded for plumbing fixtures. You want to load one now? I'm going to go yes, and it's bringing me into the tags here. Now, you can see that the annotations have a tag subfolder, but all of these contain tags as well. So what I'm looking for is a plumbing tag, and I'll go in here and check it first. And element OP, you can see that there's no plumbing tag in there. So our next option is to go to mechanical, I think. Let's see that if there's a plumbing fixture tag. That's perfect. That's the one I want. All right. Now, let's get in and tag that now. There it goes. Now, what you'll find is that all your generic tags, not generic, but your own customized tags will come in like so. And this is your opportunity now to go straight back into here, into edit the family, into the label, edit the label, and you know what you're going to do here now. You're going to go description, code, and just going to take the mark out for this one as well. Put a break in between the two. Let's scroll out here, and again, we'll do this routine of left and top and 2 mil, minimum 2 mil, 2 mil, and go OK. And then I'll do a file save as on that, and I'll put that into my Revit tags folder. I'll come back in part 3.